morning, dear children. Today we are here to learn one poem, that is The Bridge Builder, and this poem is written by Will Allen Drungool. Okay, and while while teaching you this poem, I hope you will understand one life lesson from this poem. The poem you will get, but the lesson which you will take from this poem, the moral of this poem is very understanding, and you will love if you and I will love if you will, and you will if you will take the moral of this poem and you will and if you applicable this in your real life. The moral which you will get from this poem is, it is, if you are doing your job, you are doing in your work, that is good, but with that work, if you will help others, the happiness, the feeling of helping others is beyond everything. मतलब किसी की मदद करना, अपना काम करके, अपना काम करने के बाद अपने उस काम से किसी और की मदद करना, उसकी खुशी अलग ही होती है. इस स्टोरी का ये, इस पोएम का ये एक मोरल है. ओके, सो लेट्स स्टार्ट द पोएम. सी, an old man going along lone highway came at the evening, cold and grey, to a chasm vast and deep and wide, through which was flowing a sullen tide. The old man crossed in a twilight dim. The sullen stream had no fear for him, but he turned when safe on the other side, and built a bridge to span the tide. Means here in the first paragraph, it is this is saying about one old man where he was crossing from the bridge. Okay, in the evening when there was, unpleasant time, dark time was there. Okay, so see in the first, and it is saying an old man was going alone highway. Matlab in he is going alone in a highway. Came at the evening, cold and grey, means he came in the evening, he was cold and he was having the grey hairs. To a chasm, vast and deep and wide. To a chasm means a very big gap, means he was traveling from a river, which you can see in the picture. He was traveling from a river which was having a very big gap, very big, vast, deep and wide gap it was having, right? Through which was flowing a sullen tide, means one tide is going through that was very dark and unpleasant. The old man crossed in the twilight dim, means the old man was crossing that way in the twilight dim. Twilight dim क्या होती है? When the when it's after evening, it's after evening before night. जो उसका टाइम होता है ना शाम के बाद और रात से पहले का जो समय होता है वो ट्विलाइट टाइम कहलाती है, जब सन पूरा डूब चुका होता है और बिल्कुल हल्की हल्की जो रोशनी आ रही होती है, दैट इज अ ट्विलाइट टाइम. द सलन स्ट्रीम हैड नो फियर फॉर हिम, मीन्स जो स्ट्रीम जो वहाँ से निकल रही थी द ओल्ड मैन वॉज नॉट फियरिंग फ्रॉम दैट, but he turned when safe on the other side and built a bridge to span the tide. Means but he just, उसने वो side, he just crossed that side and built a bridge to span the tide. Next, see, old man, said a fellow pilgrim near, you are wasting your strength and building here. Your journey will end with the ending day. You never again will pass this way. You have crossed the chasm, deep and wide. Why build this bridge at the eventide? Means here one person, as you can see, in the picture, here one man, see in the purple shirt, he is saying that why you are, he is asking the question to this old man that why you are यू आर मेकिंग द ब्रिज एज यू हैव ऑलरेडी क्रॉस योर पाथ, है ना। मतलब वो पूछ रहा है ओल्ड मैन से कि वाई यू आर ब्रिजिंग द गैप, आप जो गैप है उसको क्यों फिल करो, ब्रिज क्यों बनाना जब आपने ऑलरेडी अपना रास्ता क्रॉस कर चुका है। वाई यू हैव टू मेक, जब आपने ऑलरेडी एक बार रास्ता क्रॉस कर चुके हैं देन यू विल नॉट गो बैक, है ना। सो वाई यू आर मेकिंग द दिस ब्रिज, सी ओल्ड मैन सेट अ फेलो पिलग्रिम नियर, मतलब ओल्ड मैन सेट अ फेलो पिलग्रिम, पिलग्रिम हु इज पिलग्रिम, पिलग्रिम इज अ पर्सन who is moving from here to there for in the search of religious, है ना, रिलीजियस प्लेस के लिए यहाँ से वहाँ जो घूमते हैं तो पिलग्रिम कहलाते हैं। यू आर वेस्टिंग योर स्ट्रेंथ विथ बिल्डिंग हेयर, मीन्स this line is said by this pilgrim to the old man that you are wasting your time and your strength for making this bridge, है ना। see your journey will end up with the ending day, your आपकी जर्नी तो खत्म हो जाएगी, as soon as the day will be over you never again will pass this way and you will never ever will pass the same way in the next time, right। you have crossed this chasm deep and wide, मीन्स आपने ये रास्ता तो क्रॉस कर चुका है, इतना गहरा और इतना बड़ा रास्ता। वाई बिल्ड दिस ब्रिज एट द इवेंट टाइम, तो ये ब्रिज शाम के टाइम में, इवन मीन्स यार इवनिंग, सो इस इवनिंग की इस शाम में आपको क्यों ब्रिज बनाना है, मीन्स दिस होल पैराग्राफ इज सेड बाय दिस पिलग्रिम टू द ओल्ड मैन by asking that why you are wasting your time, why you are making, if you have already traveled the gap, if you have already covered this gap. So the answer given by this old man was terrific. The answer given by this old man need to understand and have to applicable in our life. How? See, the builder lifted his old grey head. Good friend, in the path I have come, he said, there followeth after me today a youth whose feet must pass this way, the charge, and that has been as naught to me. To that fair-haired youth may a pitfall be. He too must cross in the twilight day. Good friend, I am building this bridge for him. I think some of you understood, but I will explain this. See, here the old man is saying it doesn't matter if I have traveled this path or not, but still I will make the bridge. I will fill the gap. This for the youth fair haired, because this problem was nothing to me, but maybe the person or the youth who will come after me may came across with the problem uh, while filling this gap or while moving from this gap. So I would love to fill the gap for him. I hope many of you understood. Means he is saying by his helping nature, मतलब कि ज़रूरी नहीं है कि अगर मुझे ये रास्ता क्रॉस करने में कोई दिक्कत ना हुई हो तो ज़रूरी नहीं है कि किसी और पर्सन को भी दिक्कत ना हुई हो। मतलब वो एक हेल्प करने के नज़रिए से सोचता, भले मैंने ये काम पूरा कर चुका है, मैं ये रास्ता क्रॉस कर चुका हूँ, लेकिन हो सकता हो कि जो दूसरा पर्सन है उसको ये रास्ता क्रॉस करने में दिक्कत जाएगा, तो ये एज अ हेल्प करना चाहता हूँ कि इस रास्ते से जो भी कोई आए उसे कोई भी प्रॉब्लम ना हो। अंडरस्टूड? See, the builder lifted his old grey head, means this old man lifted his head, and now he will say to the pilgrim, what? See, good friend, in the path I have came, he said, means जिस रास्ते से मैं आया हूँ, there followeth after me today, हो सकता हो मेरे बाद भी कुछ लोग आए, है ना। A youth whose feet must pass this way, maybe some youth, मतलब जो young generations है, that may also come from this path. This charge that has been as not to me, मीन्स दिस गैप, जो गैप है फ्रॉम वन बैंक ऑफ रिवर टू अनदर बैंक ऑफ रिवर, this is nothing to me, not means nothing, this gap is nothing for me, but maybe the person who will come, the youth who will come, maybe they will suffer the problem, okay, maybe they will have some problem while crossing the gap, है ना. To that fair haired youth may be a pitfall भी, मतलब same thing, maybe they are having the problem, maybe they will have the difficulty to cross this gap, है ना. See, fair haired youth means the young people, okay. He too must cross in the twilight time, मीन्स उनको भी, वो भी शाम से पहले, रात से पहले क्रॉस कर ले ये गैप, ये रास्ता है. गुड फ्रेंड, आई एम बिल्डिंग दिस ब्रिज फॉर हिम. सो he sorry, so here he is saying that he is building a gap for him, okay. So I hope you understand the moral of this story, the moral of this poem, what okay, what the old man is trying to say and what he wants to tell to this people, that it is, if you have done the job, it's well and good, but it is much better that you will help the others, okay. So okay, thank you.